In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps and Notifications. Then tap on Notifications and scroll all the way down to access See All from last 7 days. Now just tap on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!